Welcome to this demo of IDEA Architecture, our 3D BIM architectural software. In this video you can watch how to create corner windows. Having already two windows designed, you select the command edge opening. You select the first and the second window, and they are turned into one new corner window. Either from the property panel or with double-click on both windows, you can make changes in any of the characteristics. Thanks for listening. You can download the trial version on www.4msa.com.